Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to buy games on Steam using your debit card. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Steam interface where you can browse through various games and content. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type in the game you're looking for. This search feature helps you quickly find exactly what you want without browsing through countless categories and listings. After you've entered your search, Steam will display a list of results matching your query. From these results, click on the game you want to purchase. This will take you to the game's store page where you can view all the details, screenshots, and reviews about the game. Once you're on the game's page, scroll down until you see the Add to Cart button. Click on it to add the game to your shopping cart. This action doesn't commit you to purchasing yet, it simply reserves the game in your cart so you can continue shopping or proceed to checkout. After adding the game to your cart, click on View My Cart. This will take you to your shopping cart page where you can review everything you're about to purchase and see the total price. When you're ready to complete your purchase, click Continue to Payment. This will direct you to the payment options page where Steam offers various methods to complete your transaction. On the payment page, you'll see a drop-down menu for selecting your payment method. Click on it and choose your preferred option such as Visa or MasterCard. This ensures Steam processes your payment through the correct card network. Now, enter your payment method details in the fields provided. This includes your card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you've filled in all the required information, click Continue to finalize your purchase. Steam will process your payment and add the game to your library immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully purchased a game on Steam using your debit card, and it's now ready to download and play. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.